Well, I'm a believer that you're only as good as the people around you. Art's been a huge asset. He handles all my daily operations, and he also directs the guys and makes sure the guys are on task.
I usually show up early and kind of look at the work order list and see what kind of work we're going to be doing, or myself. We just do whatever it takes a lot of times during the day. It's not a set schedule every day except our times. We can get called at any time to do anything.
He doesn't say no to whatever it might be in the middle of the night or the weekend or early mornings or even right after work. No longer pulling out of the yard and I'm calling him, hey, I need you back. And he's back and never says no. We had a big event which required me to call Art in. We had some flooding due to heavy rains into a orchestra pit, which led to some environmental issues that we had to address. And he came in, got things going, was able to extract the water, set up dehumidifiers, and it was kind of a big ordeal. And Art handled that from start to finish. He was the project manager on that project, and it was pretty severe, and all's well now.
I feel like I have a lot going for me, and I don't mind talking about something that is super important to me, and it's being clean and sober for the last 28 years. That motivates me.
He's loyal, and he has the same understanding as I do that, yes, it's a job, but it's not necessarily a job. We work for children, and he understands that what our place is, that we have to provide a safe environment for the children to come every day.
I could say I really like my job. Showing up every day and not knowing what I'm going to do exactly, that's fine. I don't mind. I like being out in the field, having to deal with any situation that comes up.
He understands that some kids might not see color at home. Maybe they just see darkness. They come to school, they get to see green grass, or they get to see a nice painted building, or they come inside and see a clean environment that they get to attend school in. And maybe that's the only color and brightness they see in their days. I've been to a lot of school districts in the state of California, and I will put my school district against any school district in the state of California. And I think that's a direct reflection on Art.